Good evening, sir. My name is Charan with registration number 24 I am student from BTech. I am pursuing the CSCB and today I am going to explain important JavaScript and Node.js concepts, coding examples, and I am going to cover JavaScript topics like variables, loops, arrays, functions, and objects. Okay, sir, let's starting with variables. Their name Charan is stored in name, and if I print this same name value here in console, Charan will be printed, and here I am storing 20 in age. That is used to make this age as a variable and making it storing it. And if I write constant values and if I write this constant values, it cannot be the college name cannot be changed in any way in the code. We will get a error if we try to change it. It will make the college name and number being also. If we use let, we can write a number text. Is passed boolean expression args as list and also student string we can write everything we write it. This is console of print statement in like in Python. Every value, every console statement I have written is printed here. Okay, next. Okay, next going with conditional statements. Conditional statements help us to make decision in our code. They check if something is true or false and their code run is based on it. And here see, let marks 85 marks stored in 85 marks stored in marks variable. If marks is greater than 90, excellent will be printed. If marks is greater than equal to 50, it will print you passed. Else it will print you are failed. And also there is if else method. Uh, there are if statement only one if condition is followed and if else to if and if else both are followed. In if else ladder we should write if at starting and else at ending and every middle should be written at if else. And here, if marks are greater than 90, you get A grade. If marks are greater than 70, you get B grade. If marks are greater than 50, you get C grade. If marks are else, you will get F grade. It will automatically do. Here, we have 85 marks. Let's print that. Let's print it. See, here, according to first two statements, we didn't cross 90 marks, hence we didn't get any output. And next you passed. It follows this one. And next you got B grade. B grade. Because we crossed it. And next also this is a switch case. And if day is 3, it will print Wednesday. And it will break and if we enter any other value than 1, 2, 3, it will enter invalid date. Ternary operator. It is let us continue with arrays. Arrays store multiple values in a single variable. An array is a list of items stored in one variable. You can keep many values like numbers, names, etc. together and access them by their position. Position is represented with index. Here, let's see. Here, I in fruits, I this is an array. I kept apple, banana, and mango. If I set print a console of fruits, all the fruits here will be printed. And we can store numbers in the same way, and we can store mixed like string, number, boolean expression, everything in the same way. If we push grapes in, we will get grapes at ending position. If we use pop function, the last added fruit will be deleted. If we unshift kiwi, kiwi will be added at the starting position of the fruits. If we shift again, the kiwi will be removed. And let's check. See, the input is as this. Go to loops. Loops help us to repeat action automatically instead of writing code again and again. For example, see this code. This code This code helps us to print 1 to 5 numbers repeatedly instead of writing console log 1, console log 2, console log 3, console log 4, console log 5. And here, this loop is for loop is used to print red, green, and blue colors one by one. See, and functions. Here, constant add. This one is add is a function and this stores a and b values and the stored a and b values will be added by a and b. And if I write this function statement console log and write 5 comma 3, this 5 and 3 will be added. Let's see. C5 plus 3. And next. Now let's get into the topic objects. An object stores data in key value pairs. It represents real world things like a person or a car. And this code explains here I entered the name, age, and course of the student. And this one is function. And this one is I am this name. This name in the sense the name Charan. I am Charan will be printed. Using this code will be run when I call this. And here student name also will be printed. And, and next comes with Node.js. Node.js is not a programming language. It is a runtime environment that lets the JavaScript run outside the browser, especially in the servers. Now let's get into the callback functions. A callback function is a function passed as an argument to another function. It runs after the first function finishes its task, often used for waiting tasks like loading data. Here is fetch code, this function, and this callback is another argument kind. And this callback is calling 2000. And if I print callback executed after data fetch, and data fetch also will be printed. If see now that's see callback is executed after data fetch. And now installing packages in Node.js. Node.js uses npm node package manager to install third-party libraries. And now this is the I installed EasyEven package and I written like this and using this libraries just as functions and this one is an extra request statement we need to write and if I use print see here see this one is even this one hence it came true 5 is not even hence it came false. Good evening, sir. Now I am going to tell you the process how to create a Telegram bot using JavaScript. After opening Telegram bot, search bot folder in search bar and copy this username and paste it in search bar. And you get after clicking start, you get this kind of things. And here search new bot and it will ask you to select the username. And after selecting, it will give you the API key. Using this API key, we are going to create. We paste this API key in JavaScript code and you Telegram chatbot. This is the program of Telegram chatbot. This is the API key of the Telegram chatbot. If I send the message one, if I send the message one, it will show that Satish. If I send message two, it will send money. If I send message three, it will send Uday. If I send message four, it will send message Jashwant. And if any other value comes, it will ask to send number from 1 to 4. Now I will show you how the Telegram bot works. After writing the code, go to folder and here search CMD and type node node bot program. You rename what you give to the what you give here and here the bot program runs and now I will open Telegram start. Please send number between 1 and 4. I will send 1. It will send Satish. I will send 2. Symphony, Wilson 3, Wilson 3, Wilson 4, welcome Jason. 5 and 5, we will ask you to send a number between 1 and 4. And this is how to build a Telegram bot. I build this bot using a switch case program. This is the switch case program I use. And this is the API code where I should insert. Thank you.